Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're doing training on what to do if you forgot your password to the admin portal. If you need to reset your password, then you just go to the admin portal, hrpos.heartland.us, put your email in, give it a few tries, and then we're going to hit forget password. Now, if this is the very first time that you've ever logged in, then this is probably not your issue. If you've never logged in before, then you haven't gone to your activation email and followed the steps on that. So if it's your very first time logging in, go look for my video on what to do when it's your first time to create your own user access. Otherwise, go to forgot password, and I'm going to take my work email out of there because I'm using a test here. By the way, don't email me at anthembustesting because I will not monitor this email. You put that and then hit reset password. That's going to say password reset instructions emailed. So now we go to our email and we should have the email in here for resetting the password. We click on that and then we select the reset password button here. That'll take us to the admin portal reset password screen. When you put in your password, you just want to make sure you're following the instructions on it. It's got to be numbers, letters, at least one uppercase, at least one lowercase, and then a special character. Once you do that, your reset password button should no longer be grayed out. You can select it, and then you get reset successful. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.